I'm getting over being sick, and my voice sounds awful. I'm about to watch the final trailer for the trailer for the final season of The Boys. I don't know if y'all watched this at all. It's with Carl Urban. You know him as he's going to be Johnny Cage in the Mortal Kombat movie that's coming out. He's in a lot of stuff. He's in Dread, which we've done the video about it before, which I will post somewhere around here. Watch that video. It's pretty funny. And I've been watching The Boys. I always like the idea of what they do here, where it's realistically, if people had superpowers and they had these abilities, would they take advantage of the situation? 1000%. And then also, would their abilities hurt people? Yes. And this is based off of comic book as well. They have changed a couple things with certain characters, certain dynamics. And I think so far it's been really good. I haven't read the comic book myself, but I really enjoyed this series. It's been a while since we've seen it. And with this being the last season, I am hoping for the last episode being so good, because there's been series that I saw the last episode of something and I just never watched the series again. As good as it was, I never watched it again because that season was awful. It was so bad. I don't think I need to say what it is. I'll put it somewhere around here. But yes, I have not watched the series since that season finale. But let's watch this trailer of The Boys and pray to God that it's really good. I'm a fan of all these actors. I have really, really enjoyed this series. Let's see what goes on. Oh, sorry. Real quick, this is the part where you're not going to hear that much audio. I don't want to get this taken down, so I'll have my reaction right here, and later on, I'll put my headphones on, and I'll break down the series, the trailer, and have better audio. But yeah, right now, I'm just going to hit 1, 2, 3, play. If you want to watch it with me, hit play on another video, and just see my reaction with you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
My power is absolute.
Homelander, full of himself, as always.
Heights no one's even dreamed of. But I have a bigger destiny.
Praise be.
Oh boy.
And what is it?
He's going to become a god.
All right, let's get to work, yeah? We think that Homelander is looking for the B1.
Oh boy.
It's Thought's first iteration of Compound V. If Homelander got his hands on some, he'd be immortal.
Ah, called it. A god.
We need to run while we can, however we can.
We hit him with the fire.
Oh. Well, I'll react to that in a second. I just realized.
Fucking soup on the planet.
Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to rewatch. I forgot Butcher has powers now. Voice is so fucked up right now.
I need you, Father. Did you fuck me?
What?
This some kind of incest thing? No.
What?
What the fuck is this? We need to prepare America for my ascension.
Oh shit.
You one of us now? Can't beat him. Join him. Then fucking beat him.
One last ride.
The only thing we have left is hope.
It's beta male shit, bro.
Oh my god.
Those who seek to destroy me, the non-believers and backstabbers.
Oh shit.
I offer oblivion.
Ooh, there we go. Yep. Oh boy.
You guys are friends?
You talk.
I forgot she finally spoke at the end. Crazy enough, they didn't have a whole lot of gore. I thought it'd be a lot more shock factor in general. It just felt like a very, the boys are back together. We're going to do this. We're going to beat them. Maybe not the vibe I've always gotten before, where it was just like, ooh, oh, ooh, oh, oh. Like it was a lot of reaction. It was a lot of reaction every time I was watching the series, because a lot of death and crazy stuff that happened, like the flying cows. It's a weird thing to say when you don't watch the series, but yes, there's flying cows that kill people. It's crazy as hell. And so like those reactions were always just like, ugh, maybe they're saving it. They could be saving it for us to watch this and enjoy it. But I'm going to put my headphones on now and kind of break down a little bit what I see.
My power is absolute. At heights no one's even dreamed.
There's a lot of times where Homelander is just dreaming, where he has this fantasy of what he wants to do or wants to happen to him. And so when I see a bunch of stuff like this, I kind of wonder if he's actually doing this or he's dreaming that I can't wait for this moment to happen.
Dove. But I have a bigger destiny.
Oh, praise be. And what is it?
Every scene with that girl, every scene with this girl is always a trip because she is a fangirl of Homelander in the creepiest way. Also, she's afraid of him. So yeah. Karl Urban, the king. Honestly, I think he's great. I think he is perfect for this role where he shows some sympathy, but then also so much brutality and just he's not a great friend, and yet everyone wants to be around him because he makes a valid point that with this world, with these soups, they will destroy everyone. So they need to be with Butcher because they need a wild card like him, someone so aggressive, someone like the Punisher basically in Marvel that would come in and just kill the things that need to be killed. But of course, they start questioning their humanity and their morals because he is so just off in the deep end that he's willing to do anything to get rid of these guys.
All right, let's get to work, yeah? We think that Homelander is looking for the V1.
The Deep is a piece of shit. He is awful. But something about this douchey guy I find so funny. And every time something bad happens to him is hilarious. Every time something good happens to him, I can't wait for the bad to come back.
We need to run while we can, however we can.
Okay. So, oh God, hold on. Let me give her a better shot. There you go. So there was a spinoff show called Gen V. The first season came out. I believe the second season already came out too. And these are also supposed to be connected in a way. Same world and everything. First season was great. And I haven't seen the second season. Maybe I have to watch it to understand what's going on. I don't know. So I'll check if season 2 came out. And then if it's connected to this in either way. If I think this is the end, but then Gen V continues, I'll find that out. But yeah, you have two characters, her right here. And let me go. And then I want to say them because their ability, I don't want to give it away. It's a really weird ability. Not a weird one. Well, it's complicated because I can't say. I would just call them, and I'll call her. Jensen Ackles over here. Now, if you haven't watched the series, again, he plays pretty much like a Captain America. But then if Captain America was a real Captain America, because they did this sketch with a Captain America where if he was unfrozen from the 1950s, he would say terrible things because in that time everything was just really bad. In other words, sexist and racist. We'll just leave it at that.
The only thing we have left is hope.
That's beta male shit, bro. War, am I right?
Okay, again, this is, hold on, let me see here. Bro. Okay, fuck that. Dead ass bitch sus for real. Says what? Nah. OP. Okay. Oh my god. Cap. Wig. Can't really see it that well. But yeah, this is ridiculous. He has emojis of himself. That's, oh my god. Okay. Bet. Sorry, it says bet and T. Oh, I just realized who that was. I just realized who he was choking right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Misha. Okay, so if people who don't watch Supernatural or people who have watched Supernatural, Misha Collins and Jared Padalecki are supposed to be in this scene here together. And it's such a weird reunion of these Supernatural people. I already thought as soon as they said, oh, they're going to be in the show, and then Jensen Ackles is going to be in the last season, they're going to die. If they don't die, surprise. But yeah, it's just, they're going to die. It's just obvious. God, Homelander in the freaking White House. I think again, this is just one of his fantasies right here. But yeah, I'll just leave it at that. We see the trailer. It's coming up soon. Oh, let me see exactly when it's coming out. April. Okay, April. So yeah. What do y'all think about this? Are you actually watching the show? Are you rewatching the show? I'm gonna probably rewatch the show because I cannot remember everything that's going on. And it's the finale. It's the tendency of the last season of a show. You gotta watch all of the seasons to that moment. That's at least that's mine. I don't know if anyone else does that. If you do that, put it in the comments below. Tell me the last series you watched or the last season was coming out, so you watched the whole series for that last episode or that last season. Okay, y'all have a good one as always.
Good fight.